into this space carrying the weight of your own story. Allow me to read the rhythm of your breath, the pulse of your heart, and the intricate dance of brainwaves that shape your thoughts, your dreams, your consciousness, and let me speak back to you on what I see.
Do you know where you come from? Every atom in your body, every particle of your being was born in the heart of a star. The neural pathways firing within you were built from the dust of ancient explosions. You are the remnants of a supernova, the dust of the cosmos, assembled into a unique and miraculous form. Choose peace. Choose poetry. Choose each other. You are stardust. Go and shine.